In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Amazon website not opening or links not working. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. You can check whether your internet connection is working correctly by opening a few other websites. If other websites are loading, either restart your router or switch to a different network. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. For that, click on three dots. Then navigate to the option settings. Head over to the option Privacy and Security. Navigate to the option Site Settings. Now click on this option View Permission Site. Now here search for Amazon. Once it appears, click on the trash icon and click on Delete to confirm it. Then reload the Amazon page. Likewise, go to the option Extension. Temporarily disable any extensions that may interfere with website loading. Try opening Amazon again. If you're connected to a VPN, disconnect it and test the site without it. You should also check whether Amazon is experiencing a temporary outage. Sometimes the problem is on Amazon's side and all you can do is wait until the service is restored. Likewise, make sure the browser you are using is updated. Head over to the option About Chrome. Make sure the browser you are using is updated to its latest version. And that's it. Following these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.